We were picking fireworks. It was really fun. So by the way, we almost picked like the entire store. We wasted like 5,000 pesos, which is like about like $100. Because we're in Mexico, I got a few of these and then a few of those. I picked a lot of those little bomb ones. They're really cool. And we got these for New Year's in Mexico because we're gonna explode them on the floor. And last year, something happened on accident. It was pretty fun though. Bye. See you guys later.
Ah, ok, ok. Esta afuera es unas piñatas gigantes.